We are here in Alice's house, and she just redid her nautical room.
I did. So my husband, he loves ships, boating. He used to water ski. Funny thing is, he doesn't love the ocean, but whatever. Anyways, so I said, we're going to make this the nautical room because we already had a couple of ships anyways. So I will bring you over to, I got this for him at an auction. I'm into auctions lately, and I bought this ship for him for Christmas. And of course something I think else was there, so that caused a move of everything else in the room. Now this Mark painted, and I did have it in my room, but I thought, you know, he kind of looks like a sea captain.
Absolutely.
So let's bring him down. Plus I get to see him more, you know.
Your eyes are open in this room.
Yeah, because we come in this room a lot. So I get to see him every day now, and he kind of looked like a sea captain. And then way down in the corner there is your, I'm calling him a sea captain.
He is a sea captain.
That you brought for me, and you didn't antique him, which was perfect, because it's the black wall back there,
It is.
you know?
It is. It's a good thing I didn't antique him.
So he's perfect there. And of course we have a few horses, but that's all right.
That's okay.
So we have a boat, which you may have seen here before. Now the couch is replaced by the big blue couch.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's well, I love red. I wish it was red.
Yeah.
But it couldn't be red.
Okay.
Because I couldn't find the
Couldn't
right
find
red.
a red. Okay.
So my husband's like, oh, let's get blue. And I'm like, oh, all right. But now you know that the table that was here didn't fit.
This is a lot smaller.
So this is the temporary table until we find something larger.
Okay.
So that is that. Let's see. So, okay, so this guy came, I'm going to call him a sea captain because we're in the nautical room. He was actually in the dining room, but again, I must have bought a sampler, and so he had to be moved as well.
Right.
And then we have, this was the first ship. My husband got this from his sister when he was single. So, and then we bought the one in the back, and there's a small oil painting that I bought by mistake. Be careful when you go to auction, because I hit the bid button by mistake. It's not that I don't love it, I do, but I was like, oh boy.
Was this auction online?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm afraid to go to real ones.
Oh, so you only do online auctions?
Yes. And so they're usually local as well.
Okay.
But I think what happened was I hadn't looked at the auction for a bit, and I scrolled up and I hit the bid button, and they told me that I won. I'm like, oh gosh, what is it? But it was okay.
Okay.
So it's the nautical room. So now I make sure that I don't turn on the bid button until I get to the. So that's a clue. Don't turn on the bid button until you're ready to bid on the item.
Okay.
So again, the whole moving around of things. I had a different clock here. This was on a piece of furniture that wasn't going to work in my bedroom because of the way it was set up. So I decided to use it. And then we have a couple more little boats here. So it's really starting to look like a nautical room, I think. One more thing. We have a diorama.
Ooh, let's see.
So bought this from a friend of mine when she was at the show in the day after Thanksgiving. This is a ship diorama. So 3D, and I guess the cover can come off, but I haven't tried to do it because I don't want to break it. And then this was just a little ship, well, the description of it, it was just something that a sailor might have done out at sea.
Wow.
That's the story that goes with it. So I think we're well on our way here.
Wow.
And I guess if I have any more things, I'll just have to start selling the game boards. I guess that's the next thing I'll have to get rid of.
It's just beautiful. I love it.
It is.
love it.
Yeah, it is a great room. So I think we're well on our way here.
Wow.
And I
this
guess
is
if I have
beautiful.
any more things, I'll just have to start selling the game boards. I guess that's the next thing I'll have to get rid of.
It's just beautiful. I love it.
It is.
I love it.
Yeah, it is a great room.
Oh man.
I hated to see the red couch go.
But it needed to.
I know, it needed to.
It was done.
It was, well, it was done on my husband's side.
Yeah, it was done right there.
It was done right in the corner. So the reason that we got this one is, well, the size we were limited. The good thing about this, even though I really didn't love the loose cushions, it allows you to move the cushions around and flip them, so that doesn't happen.
Mm-hmm.
So that was the whole thing behind this.
Okay.
So
Well, I have to say I like the blue.
I like the blue.
I like it.
It's growing on me.
Yeah.
I mean, there's so many colors in here. It doesn't really matter what color. I just had the whole red thing in mind.
Because it was red for a long
For a
time.
long, long time. Maybe like 15 or 20 years.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's good because, you know, when I look around, there's so many different colors here. So it doesn't really matter.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
So, Nautical Room's done.
Nautical Room. There you go. Okay.
So I'm just going to give you a little hint. We're going to talk about wallpaper boxes.
Ooh, next episode we're talking about wallpaper boxes. See you then.
Bye.